Hey man, you know where you watch.
Dancehall! Wow, my people, Dancehall Skilla there again with some more things to talk to you about, and I have videos that I'm going to present to you. Big up and respect to each and every one. I hope that everyone alright, you see. Alright, now Dancehall Skilla channel is a channel where you can get accurate information and to let you know about videos that are being talked about on social media. So if you have not clicked the subscribe button as yet, I would like to encourage you to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Plus, it would be really and truly appreciated, alright? Anyways, now I'm going to present to you a piece of an entire video that I've been recorded within the country that is known as Jamaica. I don't have any confirmed information as to when the entire video will be recorded. Now, this piece of video that I'm about to present to you shows some things that happened after a civilian and a police officer from within the country of Jamaica fight with each other. Now, before the police officer and the civilian fight with each other, viewers and subscribers, there was a confrontation between a man and the police officers from within the country of Jamaica. A part of the entire video shows when police officers was trying to put handcuffs on the civilian. And the civilian was resisting arrest, viewers and subscribers. There was also a female there trying to de-escalate the confrontation, or the female was trying to make the civilian calm down. At least one of those police officers used a pepper spray to spray on at least one person. Now, one of the reasons why I am presenting this piece of video to you, my viewers and subscribers, is because the entire video has been talked about on social media, and I would like you, my viewers and subscribers, to tell me what you think about some of the things that you're about to see and hear in this piece of video that I'm about to present to you. But I want you to please bear in mind that in this piece of video you can hear harsh language. This piece of video shows some things that happened after a police officer and a civilian fight with each other. So before I present this piece of video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this piece of video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the piece of video. Look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think. Observe.
I can't Jamaica this. I can't Jamaica this. I can't Jamaica this.
Yeah, mountain.
I want this, yeah. Me can't believe this. Me can't believe say Jamaica this. Me can't believe say Jamaica this to blood clean. Me can't, brother. Me can't believe this, yeah. Me can't believe this. Me can't believe this.
The people come like me hear somebody say the man thump out the man teeth. You know, that situation was really and truly hostile in my point of view. So me I say, some comments on social media gave me the understanding that some persons are talking about how the police handle the situation, and some persons are talking about how the civilian handle the situation. Basically, it's like some people wonder how the civilian end up fighting with the police officer. See, I did not get any confirmed information if anyone had been arrested or detained by the police within the country of Jamaica when it comes down to that situation. No, I did not. You understand me? But the entire video has been talked about on social media. That's why I presented a piece of that entire video to you. Couldn't present the entire video to you because the entire video shows some things that a lot of you, my viewers and subscribers, might not want to see. See? Anyways, you can let me know what you think. I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I am going to present a video to you that shows a situation that I call a standoff between two motorists who were in their motor vehicles. See? So based on some things that I saw and heard in the video, I got the understanding that one motorist who was traveling in the motor vehicle was about to exit a premises, and another motorist who was traveling in another motor vehicle was about to enter that premises. So in my point of view, it seems as if none of those drivers of those motor vehicles wanted to reverse to allow the other to pass with the motor vehicle. See? And you can also hear someone talking in the background of this video as well, viewers and subscribers. You understand me? See? So I'm going to like you look at this video and tell me what you think, viewers and subscribers. I'm going to tell you what I think as well. I would like you to tell me who you think was wrong and who you think might be at fault. Alright? Anyways, here's the video. Look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think.
Just look on this now. The man a come in, him a come out. Him reverse 2 centimeter. Right? Red van reverse 2 centimeter. Him not just reverse the rest of the way and make the man come in and then him drive out. When on the black van for the now, reverse go out in the main road that's so. For him come out through the gate. 10 minutes now, 2 of them slang, so I watch them on another now. 10 blows and skirt minutes. Tell me now. I make motorists can difficult, so all him have to do is just finish back up the rest of the way. Make the man come in and him drive out. So anybody else who want to drive out now must sit down and wait for the 2 of them to have them stand off. Now the woman will come with the man in the black vehicle. She get vexed now and come out and go in the Popeyes or wherever and buy what she want. Right? Everybody else. If there's anybody else who would have want to drive in or out, inconvenience now through the 2 of them. Why may I tell you?
That's true. That's true. Alright, hear what me I say now, my people. See? Listen me carefully now. See? You see, the person who are drive the motor vehicle that is already inside that compound, I think it will be more safer for that person to reverse and allow the driver who drive the other motor vehicle to enter the compound. See? Because me not think it would be safe for that driver who enter the compound with the motor vehicle to reverse out in the street. I think that more dangerous. So in my point of view, the person who enter the compound should get the right of way, and the person who exit should just think and just use his or her discretion and know say, yo, you know, that's a danger for the driver for reverse that motor vehicle and put the rear of the motor vehicle out in the road out there. So saying a common sense. A common sense do this when time you drive out there, my people. So I say, this is some of the times to them kind of things yeah, sometimes make certain accidents happen worldwide. You see me? Is that some people drive with a certain behavior. You know what I mean? Sometimes you have some driver drive as how them behave. When them there them home or them there them business place or when them attack with them friends, the same attitude when they have when them socialize with people. You can see it now some of them driving my people. This is my point of view, you know. I just me I say these things now my point of view. And it's the truth. You see me I say, yeah man, you have some people man, the same angry. Them drive with that anger there. And you have some people who will be like, let me think. Okay. Right. See? Yeah, but I tell my people, you have to just careful on the road. You understand? You have to just careful on the road. See? Now there's a video circulating on social media that shows some things that happened at the scene of a 2 vehicles collision that happened somewhere within the country that is known as Jamaica. I got the understanding that the incident happened within the month of July the year 2022. And I got the understanding that the video shows a police service vehicle that collided with a public transportation vehicle. Now, that public transportation vehicle is said to be a taxi. According to information that I got, allegedly it is said that police officers who were traveling in a police service motor vehicle were chasing men who were traveling on motorcycles. And it is said that during the chase, the police service motor vehicle collided with the public transportation motor vehicle. I got information that at least 1 person had been injured, viewers and subscribers. I did not get any confirmed information as to how many persons had been injured. So therefore, there might be more information about that whole situation. See? I did not get any information about any fatalities. And the allegation about that whole situation might be true, viewers and subscribers, because I also saw another video on social media that shows some things that happened during, before, and after the police service motor vehicle collided with the public transportation motor vehicle. The video footage is said to be a surveillance video footage, viewers and subscribers. And the video footage also shows a date, but I cannot confirm if that date is accurate. The video footage also shows men traveling on motorcycles, viewers and subscribers. And the video footage also shows when the police service motor vehicle collided with the public transportation motor vehicle. So maybe the allegation is true, viewers and subscribers. You understand? But anyways, one of the reasons why I talk about that whole situation is because the whole situation is being talked about on social media, viewers and subscribers. That's what I'm saying to you. Yeah. And if you look right here, this video right here is said to be the surveillance video footage that shows some things that happened during, before, and after the two vehicles collision. Anyways, I just want to left with you, my people. So big up and respect to each and everyone. Let me know what to think about those videos that I presented to you. Let me know what to think about those things that I talked to you about. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up yourself, you see.
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.